Mr. Zachary, do you know any of the persons in the courtroom today?
No.
None of them.
Nope.
Now, so the Black law student actually wrote a letter to the judge, which is going to be here. This is the letter, and it was a letter that is from Quindarrius Zachary's sister. Okay, now here is the letter. I'm going to read it to you guys, but this is what was read during the lunch break when the cameras were off, and we have several sources that were in the courtroom that have confirmed that this letter was read. So I'm going to read it to you guys now. It says, "Dear Judge Whitaker, I'm writing to you with a heavy heart, compelled by the profound concern for my brother, Quindarrius Zachary, who has recently been thrust into a distressing and unbearable situation."
Mr. Zachary, you're welcome to have that water. Just take some.
I need some drugs. Narcotic. Like, I got chronic care issues, you know that. She keep asking the same questions.
"I implore you to consider the grave implications of forcing him to testify in this case, given his severe health condition. My brother, who has been battling sickle cell disease with relentless courage, is not in a state to endure the strain of court proceedings, let alone serve as a witness under these circumstances."
Do you remember substantially less today than you did on Friday since the weekend?
Friday, I was probably on like 5 Percocet, 10 milligrams of morphine. I don't remember nothing.
Do you remember or do you know what your doctor said about your ability to testify despite what medicine you're on?
Cause for hearsay.
I'm asking, do you know?
He probably ain't never took no drugs.
Okay. So that's not answering the question. Do you know what your doctor said about your ability to testify despite what drugs you were on?
No.
Were you not present when your doctor said that?
Yes, I think.
Okay. Where were you when you heard him say that?
I don't remember, man.
Do you not remember sitting in that chair right there?
I remember him being on the screen.
Okay.
Y'all ain't supposed to have him on the screen.
What now?
Y'all had me high. Y'all just talk me, trick me up on anything.
Say that for me again.
Y'all ain't even supposed to have him on no TV screen. Yeah,
What?
I don't, cause y'all put my business, my medical business all over the world and something, man.
Okay.
I was high. I was on medicine, full of medicine. The lawyer was back there arguing with me. I don't remember.
Sickle cell disease is an unforgiving and debilitating condition. It has ravaged Quindarrius's health and subjected him to excruciating pain and frequent medical cases. On Friday, he was arrested and faced with a material warrant. It became painfully clear how unfit he is to engage in this case.
You keep asking me the same question. I'm up here in pain, chest hurting, head hurting. That's illegal. I don't know about my rights, but I'm pretty sure y'all violating them.
Can I give, will the court be willing to give the witness a moment to get some Tylenol or?
I'm allergic to Tylenol.
Will the court be willing to give us a brief break to see what we can give to Mr. Zachary?
Yes.
Pain.
Yes.
His physical suffering, coupled with the emotional toll of his current predicament, leaves him utterly incapable of participating meaningfully as a witness. Quindarrius has consistently expressed his desire to plead the Fifth Amendment on this matter. His decision should be respected, particularly when weighed against the backdrop of his fragile health. It is not merely a matter of legal rights. It is a question of basic human decency and compassion. The emotional and physical stress inflicted upon him by this forced testimony could exacerbate his condition, causing him further harm to a person already in tremendous pain. I urge you to consider the principle established in case law regarding the protection of witnesses who who are unable to testify due to severe health conditions. She cites United States versus Kincaid. And remember, I told you guys about those numbers. This is how us legal people find cases. It's the Seventh Circuit. It's a 2000 case. In that case, the court recognized that a witness's health could exempt them from testifying, particularly when their condition would be significantly aggravated by the participation in the legal process. This is actually a very well-written letter. She says similarly, I don't know how to pronounce that. This is a Holder case from 1964. The Supreme Court emphasized the importance of protecting individuals from undue stress and potential harm when their health is at risk. The burden of requiring my brother to testify while he's in such a vulnerable state is not only legally questionable, but is also morally indefensible. It is a matter of recognizing the humanity of individuals who are already suffering. To force him into the courtroom would not only be a disservice of justice, but a profound injustice to a person who deserves compassion and understanding. Please, Judge Whitaker, I appeal you to exercise your discretion in this matter with the utmost sensitivity. Allow Quindarrius to remain free from the anguish and the further deterioration of his health that could result from participating in this case. His well-being must take precedence, and it is our hope that you will act with the empathy and fairness that this situation demands. Thank you for your consideration of this urgent and heartfelt plea. I trust that you will make a decision that reflects both the letter and the spirit of justice. Sincerely, Latoria Zachary, Quindarrius Zachary's sister. So there it is, guys. A very well-written letter, and shout out to the Black law student who has helped get this out there. It looks like he's going to have one of those recaps tonight if you're interested and you want to learn a little bit more.
You seem a little bit more relaxed today.
I'm
So
angry today.
you are or are not?
I'm angry today.
Okay. So you're angry, but have you taken the same medicine today?
No, y'all won't let me get it. I'm telling them I'm in pain whole weekend. Y'all got me caged in the house. Y'all done. They got my mama like she locked up. Like
Wait a minute.
can't leave the house. Can't do none of that. Like
And that makes you angry with the state, right?
I'm going through withdrawals. Yes, I'm angry.
Okay.
Yo, hit that like for deal with Christian. Yo, for deal with Christian. Smash that bell for DWC. Yo, smash it. Just smash it. Hit that like for deal with Christian. For deal with Christian. Smash that bell for DWC. Yo, smash it. Just smash it. Hit that like for deal with Christian.